Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical and budget-friendly DIY project. A laptop stand made from PVC pipes. If you're anything like me, you probably spend a lot of time on your laptop. And if you're anything like me, you've probably experienced the dreaded neck and back pain from hunching over your screen. Well, this DIY laptop stand is here to help. It's a simple, cheap, and surprisingly sturdy solution that can dramatically improve your posture and your comfort. Before we get started, let's quickly address the before situation. Many of us, myself included, end up hunched over our laptops, which puts a strain on our necks and backs. It's not a comfortable position, and it can lead to long-term issues. Now, the after situation with our new DIY stand is a world of difference. Your laptop will be elevated to a more ergonomic height, encouraging a straighter posture and reducing strain. Ready to build? Great, because this project is incredibly easy and fun to put together. The beauty of this project lies in its simplicity. We're using PVC pipes and joints, which you can find at any hardware store. Think of it like building with Lego, but for adults. First things first, gather your materials. You'll need PVC pipes. The diameter is your preference. PVC pipe connectors like elbows and T-connectors. A PVC pipe cutter or a saw. A measuring tape. And, of course, your laptop. Now, let's get down to the measurements. This is where you customize the stand to your needs. Measure the width of your laptop to determine the base length. Consider the height you want your laptop to be elevated, and the desired angle of the stand. Use the measuring tape to get precise measurements. Cut the PVC pipes according to your measurements. Remember, it's always better to cut a little extra off than to cut too little. It's easier to trim down a pipe than to make it longer. Next, it's assembly time. This is the fun part. Connect the PVC pipes using the appropriate joints. For the base, you'll likely use straight pipes, and maybe some elbows to create a stable foundation. The angled support will involve connecting pipes with elbows, or T-connectors to achieve the desired slant. Make sure everything fits snugly and securely. Once you've assembled the main frame, double-check all connections. Make sure the stand is stable and can support the weight of your laptop. If necessary, you can use PVC glue to secure the joints permanently, but it's not strictly required, especially if you want to be able to disassemble it later. And that's it. Place your laptop on the stand and admire your handiwork. You've just created an ergonomic laptop stand that will help you work in comfort. Now you can experience the difference in your posture and feel the relief in your neck and back. This DIY laptop stand is a fantastic project for anyone who wants to improve their workspace ergonomics without breaking the bank. It's affordable, easy to build, and makes a real difference in your comfort. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more great DIY projects.